Welcome back. Today we are cooking Chinese meatballs with oyster sauce. Here we have 300 grams of minced beef, half of a finely chopped, half of a finely chopped white onion. Just use your hands and mix the onion and the beef together well like this. Next, you want to add in half a teaspoon of light soy sauce or dark soy sauce. I prefer light soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of table salt. Maybe you like salt, add more. Add in around about half a tablespoon of ground black pepper. Next, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of cornflour and mix everything well together. Have you ever noticed in people's YouTube cooking videos, they've never actually made anything that tastes like crap? Everything they cook, they say, this is very, very nice, very nice. 300 grams will be enough to make you 12 meatballs, so just make meatballs, roll them around your hand. Everyone knows how to make a ball. Add 3 or 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a wok or frying pan. Now, when your wok is smoking hot, place your meatballs in, but don't move them about, let them sit for 1 minute before you start turning them around. After 1 minute, you can turn the meatballs around and they will be golden brown on the other side, like this. After 3 minutes in total, cooking at medium heat, remove the meatballs. Heat a wok or frying pan to high, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Next, throw in half a finely chopped white onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, and cook for 1 minute. 200 milliliters of cold tap water. Then 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I love oyster sauce. Woo! Stir everything well together, keeping the heat on medium. Then you want to add in a teaspoon of soy sauce. I think the soy sauce should be coming up now. This is a voiceover. I recorded this video earlier. There it comes. So add in your half a teaspoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce. Then half a tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything together. Chuck in your meatballs. At this point, you don't really have to stir. This is just for visual effect. I don't know why I done that. Cover the meatballs with a lid and cook for 5 minutes at medium heat. After 5 minutes, take the lid off the meatballs. Woo! Look at that. To thicken up the sauce, use 1 tablespoon of cornflour mixed with 1 tablespoon of cold water and stir. Lovely jubbly. Would you eat this or not? Leave a comment and let me know. Don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.